Kelly Stabler is a popular actress from the United States who is best known for appearing as a Melissa on the TV show Two and a Half Men. She has also appeared in the sitcom Superstore as a Kelly and The Exes as a Eden Kunkler. In her career, Stabler has starred in many films and TV shows. Early life and biography. Kelly Stabler was born on January 26, 1978 in St. Louis, Missouri. She is the daughter of Jill Cissell. The actress was raised in Metropolitan St. Louis and not much is known regarding her family details. During her school days, she was a prom queen. Kelly was also the class president in her high school. After completing high school, she went to the University of Missouri for her bachelor's degree in communication. The program also had her minor in television and theatre performances. Age, height, weight. Being born on 26 January 1978, Kelly Stabler is 44 years old. As of today's date, 29th June 2022. Her height is 1.52 meter tall and weight is 54 kg. Personal life, husband, boyfriend. In 2005, Kelly Stabler got married to Kurt Patino. They are the parents of two children named Kellen William Patino and Kendrick Kurt Patino. In the second season of the show, The Exes, her pregnancy was taken into consideration. Career. Kelly Stabler started her career by appearing in the 2002 film Spider-Man. Later, she was seen in the horror comedy film The Haunted Mansion. She was then a part of the film Bring It On Again. In 2005, she lent her voice for the film Hoodwinked. That same year, she was seen in the short film Rings. Some of her releases from the 2000s include Aliens vs. Predator, Requiem, State's Evidence, The Ring 2, and Dragon Hunter. Awards and achievements. For now, Kelly Stables has only received a nomination for the Behind the Voice Actors Award of 2015. She received the nomination for voicing Athena in Tom and Jerry, The Last Dragon. Kelly continues to perform, which could make her win an award someday. Net worth and salary. As of June 2022, the net worth of Kelly Stables is approximately $4 million. She started her career by appearing in stage shows and made her way into films and television shows. Kelly has been in the main role of many TV sitcoms. Apart from this, she has also lent her voice in films, TV shows as well as video games. During her college days, Kelly Stables did minor in television and theatre performance. However, she was highly successful to establish herself as a popular actress. Kelly is extremely popular and has many fans and followers on social media. Her brilliant performance has also made her become a voice actress. With many upcoming projects, we can expect to see a lot from her.